So now we're moving on to representing what we did in our partial products through an area model, so representing the steps that we took. So I'm going to start again by working from the left to the right and identifying the place values. So for 432, we're going to have 400, 30, and 2. I'm going to go ahead and use the same colors that I did with the partial products method. Then I'm moving on to doing my second multiplier, which is 38. So we're going to have 30 and 8. So I'm basically just drawing an area model that would represent 432 groups of 38. So this isn't drawn to scale by any means, but I'm just making my boxes now, separating 430 and 2 and 30 and 8. And then we're going to follow the same steps. So we're going to do 400 times 30, which as we know from the partial products method that we got 12,000. So I'm going to write that value down in that box. And then we're going to do 30 times 30, which we found to be 900 in our previous problem. So I'm writing that in its corresponding box. And then 30 times 2, which is 60, and I'm putting that in the box. And moving on to the ones value from 38, we're doing 400 times 8 equals 3,200, putting that in the corresponding box. And then 30 times 8 is 240, which we found previously before. And then finally, 8 times 2 is 16. Now I'm just showing once again that we did use the same steps. So in blue, I'm highlighting the 400 times 30 step in both the partial products and the area model. I'm also now highlighting the 400 times 8 in yellow, which was 3,200. I'm doing this in both the area model and the partial products to show that we use that step as well. And then I just keep going with different colors to just prove that I did use all the same steps within the area model as I did in the partial products. Now I'm going to go ahead and add up all my values in the area model across. So we're doing 12,000 plus 900 plus 60, which is going to give me 12,960. And then we're also going to do 3,200 plus 240 plus 16, which is going to give us 3,456. And then I'm adding those two values together using standard algorithm for addition. And I come out with an answer of 16,416, and we got the same answers for partial product, so I know it was correct.